我来敬大家一杯了，欢迎啊，欢迎。
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Cheers up.
So this is welcome drink for you.
To me, like, especially when I read, like, especially the movie reviews, right?
About 180 times.
Yeah.
Step by
Okay.
Take a look at
The photo, hang on. This is 27.6 times. This is 120 times. Yeah.
Night. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, you are on the lower deck, so kindly head up to the upper deck, grab your seats as well. Just a reminder, from here we'll have partners, so media is all on that side. Sorry, before you guys sit down, just want to let you know. So partners and trade are all over here, media will have on the other side as well. Alright, so you guys should know where you guys are belonging to. Very nice.
Start by talking about our Xiaomi 17 series. To give users a special mobile imaging experience, we joined forces with Leica, along with optical excellence and Xiaomi mobile technology.
An academy for Leica cameras in Southeast Asia. Obviously today we are here to talk about something really exciting. But before we go to that, for us at Leica, we look at photography. Photography has never been about technology. Okay?
Yeah, I'm head of sales for Xiaomi Singapore. So usually, again, when you see my face, it usually should be the most exciting part of the presentation. But I believe most of you have already seen the global launch event on February 28th and probably saw our pricing as well. So yeah, but precise APO correction. APO in the Xiaomi 17 Ultra stands for truly uncompromising image quality.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Interesting, right?
It's not only for iPhone, right?
It's not. This is a Xiaomi.
That is generic.
It's generic, yeah. That's why I thought it was very interesting because it's really 真的是刚刚好. It's everywhere.
It's made for it.
Right. 一点，大概也是。
我来敬大家一杯了。现在这口一碗拿一算。哎，这个我要嘞，这个好嘞。哎，你拿了，我忘记了。他叫我，我还没有学这个风能，我忘记了。我忘记怎么玩这个，跳下去。